Alex. So today we'll be talking about Google Gemini 2.5 Pro, the latest model, and I'll be testing it out. I'll be showing you what Google Gemini 2.5 Pro built for me. So all I need you to do is to stay with me in this video and watch this video for more info on Google Gemini 2.5, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this to come on how you can use Gemini 2.5 Pro. I think they just released the 2.5 Flash 4 days or 3 days ago. So 2.5 Pro now helps you code faster than ever, helps you code very fast. So, and right now I'm going to show you the app 2.5 built for me. So all you need to do, I gave the AI a prompt to build me a sales data analyzer, and it built me one. So you're seeing it here and it's loading up on my screen. So here we have it on my screen with just a simple prompt. You can build app, right, with prompt. So as a beginner, right now AI is making it so easy for me and you as a beginner to leverage with AI, right? So right now, you don't need to code. This AI has written all the code. You can see how it has written the code for us. So this is how extremely cool Gemini is actually performing right now. So I think now Gemini 2.5 Pro is actually the best, or slightly the best AI right now in the market, and it's actually good in researching any kind of result you want. But mainly they have other models that are here, but I'm using the 2.5 Pro, and right now the 2.5 Pro has the reasoning capacity and the mathematics and code capacities. So this is how 2.5 Pro is. So you can upgrade for more models like this to come. So you can see the app I have built. So I built a sales analyzer Pro, that whereby you upload your CSV or your Excel files to get an instant insight and visualization of your data inside your CSV files. So technically I'm not done with this app yet. So it's just something that I had to brainstorm, right? So your brainstorm, you can turn your ideas into life with Gemini. So that is how powerful it is. So this is just like a prototype for the kind of app I was building and I was dreaming to build our launch. So right now, all you need to do is Google Gemini already built it for us. So I'm going to show you. I just choose a file, and you can see that once we choose a file, all you need to do is to upload your CSV or your Excel sheet, anyone. You just upload it, and then boom. Sorry for that, because we haven't finished the app like I said, so I forgot to change the color, but I'll do it later. So we can do it self later. So you can see blah blah blah. I'm just doing it. So once I'm done, I'll just analyze the app. So it's actually valid, though it's actually valid. Kind of I think the kind of column I choose was a wrong column, so there's no description. I think we have use cases, so let's check on it right now. So it can't analyze anything that is not on the column, right? So let's check examples, and I'm going to put section, and I'm going to put item. Let's see whether we have something inside one column. So sorry for that. Yeah, sorry, it didn't go. That is to show this file doesn't have where we can actually collect data from. So I'm going to pick this. I'm going to pick this. Yep, we are picking this. Yep. No, let's pick this, and let's come back here, and let's see. Let's see if this clarification sheet, it has clarification sheet. So let's see if wow, so it has analyzed this for us, right? So it will filter this data and analyze it for us. Sorry for that. Filter the data, analyze it for us. So this is like what is inside our Excel sheet. So It's going to break down the summary metrics and your $14 sales and your total transaction you have done with the leads or every kind of thing. You save it and your monthly trend. So you can export it in a PNG format. You can export the data in an what do you call it, in a PDF form. So you can do all of that. So we are going to export it. You can see that it's Google Gemini 2.5 that built me this app, right? So I haven't finished with the work of the app. So when we have exported it, all we need to do, sorry, I need to go to my folder. All we need to do, oh, I'll just come here and I am going to open it. So I'm going to open it. So you can see that on my right screen here, I have opened it. So it says analysis report, reported and generated. It will even give you the date and our summary metrics and the monthly trends and every product you have built. So right now, I advise anyone out there that is trying to streamline code yourself. Right now, the new tradition is AI, not going back and forth on coding and cleaning and using AI. Right now, you can build apps with 2 minutes under AI. So please, I want you to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this to come. Like I said, my name is Malik and I'm here to showcase and show you the easiest way to use and access AI as a beginner and turning your beginner um, ideas into a pro idea. So with AI. So thank you very much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thumbs up.